So in this lesson, we'll go over the generation and creation of side lobes and the engineering principle of apodization, which leads to a certain change in the behavior and the structure of the ultrasound beam or the main lobe, which leads to reduction in the formation of the side lobes. So as you can see, this is a transducer array with 16 elements in it. This is the central portion with the main beam, and these are side lobes, which, of course, that we discussed, are weaker echoes on the sides of the beam, which relate to because of the constructive interference of maxima and minima formation, which lead to a significant deterioration in the lateral resolution. So you can see this is the main beam, and this is the side lobes. Now, as we had talked about, the process of apodization consists of creating a stronger beam that is stimulating the elements in the center of the beam more than the others, which leads to significantly underpowered, sides of the beam, albeit at the cost of a slightly broader beam. So you can see this is the main beam, the side lobes, and as soon as in this simulator, as soon as we introduce apodization, which leads to broadening of the main beam, however, significant reduction in the formation of the side lobes. I am going to be taking away this the apodization again back to where it was nothing. As you can see, this forms more side lobes, apodization back again, which leads to a broader beam, albeit with less side lobe formation and an improved lateral resolution.